Okay, so starting it off, we did have a look at some of these Claritystamp dies the other week, but there's some new ones in this week.
Yep. So we've got this one, which is a treescape aperture. So you can make a really pretty, this is kind of like a winter tree aperture in your cards.
That's
you can
nice.
See that's a really good size. The die is 10 by 10 centimetres on that one.
Wonderful.
Then we've got another aperture here, but this one is a deer heart, and this is 10 by 8.5 centimetres.
Lovely. That's
See
really
that
pretty.
one? And then we've got some nesting heart
I
dies.
love these. 7 of these in there.
So it's great. So you've got all different sizes. You've got a really little one in the middle, all the way through to a massive heart. So
that's definitely
whatever
my favourite.
size you need, it's going to be in there.
Yeah, that's definitely my favourite. Okay, then next up we've got some Janine new dies and paperbacks from Janine's art.
So we've got some lovely kind of homely themed dies. This one we've got it's a hanging plant.
I love that.
That's quite a small die, but really cute for your cards.
This is the Art of Living range, by the way.
Yep. And then we've got some leaves. More leaves, and then this one, which is really cute. We've got a window with shutters, then we've got a little plant pot, this cute little cat down the bottom, and there's the bird up there that he's after. So you're able to make a really pretty kind of house scene with that, and you'd be able to mix and match that. You could, you know, put the hanging basket on the window, mix and match them together.
Excellent.
And then along with that range, we've got a little paper pack here. Now the paper here is 15.2 centimetres squared. You get 23 sheets in the pack, and the paper is two-sided. We've got lots of really pretty patterns in there.
Yep.
So it's going to be great for crafting kind of smaller cards, or if you're doing scrapbooking, it's really nice for that.
I love that. Cool. And then next up we've got some more dies in from Amy Design.
So this is the Keep It Cool range. So obviously we're wintry themed, so we've got really pretty oval frames here, which got nice little snowflake details
really nice
on that one.
shape.
Yep. Then we've got a really pretty square frame here, again with the snowflake details all the way around
really
it.
intricate detail.
Yeah, and that's a really good size there. Then we've got some tiny little Christmas tags here.
Oh,
some
nice.
of these are really tiny, but they look super cute on your gifts or on any of your Christmassy crafts.
Lovely.
Then this one here is, it's called Cool Forest, and you'd be able to make a nice kind of winter forest scene with that one. So we've got trees, got a little bunny, a deer, a fence. So you've got lots of things here you can mix and match to make a really pretty scene. And then finally we've got this one here, which is a rounded frame. So you're going to get the die only on the one side with all the pretty snowflakes, and that will look really, really effective on your cards.
Yeah, love it.
Love that one.
Really, really nice. And then finally we've got a host of new stamps from the Woodware collection.
Yep, loads of new ones.
Loads.
So we've got a few here which are sentiment.
Yeah.
So we've got these are kind of birthday, and got one that says anytime you need a hug, I have one waiting for you. So you've got sentiments there for all different occasions. Got some more sentiments here, talking about being happy and looking for rainbows. So, you know, it's kind of, I suppose, motivational cards. If someone's not feeling too great, cheer them up with those. Those are really nice. Then we've got these birthday sentiments. So we've got happy birthday, congratulations, hip hip hooray, and then we've got presents and a little cupcake and some bunting. So really nice birthday themed ones there. Then we've got this one, which is loads of really pretty flowers. It's quite
nice.
A big stamp. But then to go with that, you've also got two sentiments. So we've got thanks a bunch and a little note of thanks. So that's pretty pretty.
Nice.
Then we've got one here for all of you who love your motorbikes. We've got a perfect one here, which has got two sizes of bikes. You've got your cog, and some sentiments as well, and you've got your tire tread stamp there as well.
Cool.
So that's quite cool. Nice different sizes there for you. Some more sentiments there. These are kind of birthday ones, and then we've got maybe for your teenagers, I suppose, these ones. Yeah, these are really great. So we've got lol, wow, okay, cool, and those are nice big stamps.
Yeah, I love
so those would be good on birthday cards, or again with your scrapbooking. They'd be really good, a good size for that. And then we've got some really pretty flowers here, all different designs. These are, I suppose, more autumnal kind of themed ones, but again with a few sentiments. So that's really good. You know, you're getting sentiments with most of these packs. Definitely. And then the final one is some fruit themed ones. So we've got pears, grapes, bananas, and then really cute, fun sentiments to go with them. So I'm bananas about you, and you're the very best. We make the perfect pair. Cute. So those are really cute to go along with your stamps, and you've got a sentiment that kind of matches each one. So to go with the lemon, I could squeeze, orange, I could squeeze you. I have grape expectations from you. So I love those. Those are really fun.
Nice. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked all the new products that have hit the shelves here at Hobbybase. Don't forget to go and check them all out. We've got the links in the comments below, or head to hobbybase.co.uk. If you like the video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends, but most importantly, tune in and subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe, you'll be kept up to date with all the videos that we post on a weekly basis. But that's it for now, so have a great weekend, keep crafting, stay tuned, and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.